Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Vishaka and today we are going to see yet another basic makeup video. So to start with, I'm going to apply a moisturizer. This is from Neutrogena. All the links will be mentioned in the description box and also in the comment section. So I'm going to apply a generous amount of this moisturizer all over my face. After applying and massaging the moisturizer very nicely on my face, I'm going to apply a primer. This is from the Manish Malhotra's collection. I had purchased this from MyGlam. This will give a very mattifying and very brightening kind of effect to your face, and this leaves the makeup also very nicely settled on your face. So this is something that I like, and I have been using this in my past few videos also, as you may have noticed it. So this is my new favorite primer that I'm using currently. Next, to add my pigmentation, I'm going to use a color corrector. This is an orange color corrector which will suit my skin tone. So this is from Swiss Beauty. This is my second purchase. I love this color corrector. So we are going to take a very tiny amount of this color corrector and apply it wherever I feel that I have pigmentation, around my eye area, my mouth area, and some around the cheek area also. Now with the help of a brush, we are going to dab the concealer wherever we have put this orange color corrector. We are going to dab it out. To set the color corrector, I am going to apply a little bit of compact powder all over wherever I have applied the color corrector. Next, for my eye makeup, I am using this Nika's eyeshadow palette. This is my go-to palette. You can create a very beautiful subtle effect from this. So I'm going to use the brown color as my base shadow. Now with the help of the brown brow pencil that I have, I'm creating a eyeliner kind of effect over the eyelid, and we are going to smudge it out later on. For my waterline, I am using the Color Bars Kajal pencil. You can also use a brown Kajal pencil if you have. This will also give you a very bright look. You can see the difference Kajal makes to your face. It brightens your face look completely. To shape my brows a little bit, I'm going to use the Nika's brow pencil. So I'm going to brush up my eyebrows first and then apply and use the pencil wherever needed. For foundation, we are going to use the Nika's foundation. This is in the shade 14 Coffee. All the description as mentioned will be in the comment box below. So I'm going to apply dot size foundation of my face, and then we are going to blend this out with the help of a beauty blender or a brush. To brighten my under eye area, we are going to use Maybelline's foundation in the shade 330. So I use this foundation as my concealer. I use a dot size amount, as you can see on my highlighting areas, and then we are going to blend this out and just dab it out. We are not going to spread it out as foundation. Again, to set it, we are going to use the Maybelline's compact powder and dab it out. Next, to add a little bit of definition to my face, I'm going to use the Makeup Revolution's bronzer. This is a very beautiful shade for a skin tone that I have. So I generally apply it on my cheekbone area, my forehead area, and the jaw area, and just a little bit is enough. Next, we are going to apply blush. This is from Sugar Cosmetics. This is my absolute go-to favorite blush, powder blush that I use. So we are going to apply this again on our cheekbone area, our jaw area, a little bit on the nose, chin, and forehead. To complete the look, I'm going to apply lipstick. So these, we are going to mix two shades. One is from Love Earth and the other one is from Lakme. So this is a shade from Love Earth. And then we are going to mix a shade from the Lakme's range and create this beautiful lipstick look that we currently have. We can use another lip shade also if you like so. Now to set the makeup, I am going to use the setting spray from Faces Canada. So we'll let the setting space set, and till that time we are going to complete our look. I am wearing these beautiful earrings which were gifted to me, and then with the help of a Vega 3-in-1 styler, I'm going to curl my hair just to add this finishing touch-ups. So this is the final look that we have created for today. I hope everyone liked this video. Do give it a thumbs up and leave your comments in the comment section below. I read them all, and do also leave your suggestions. So this is it for today's video. I hope you guys liked it. Bye.